Well, hey there, it's Dr. Jim. Thanks for stopping by. I have to tell you something. I am a big fan of dogs. I love dogs. I treat them like family members. And we have two right here on my cell phone. That's Buddy. And Buddy is called Buddy for a reason. He follows me everywhere, gets in the car, goes to work, brings me toys as soon as I get home. Buddy is a Havamalt. And we also have a rescue dog by the name of Kitty. Here's a good one, lounging in my office at home. And she is a red Chihuahua or a Chihuahua, Chihuahua wiener dog, whatever you want to say. So, as you know, I'm very interested in the health benefits of CBD. And I usually talk about the health benefits of CBD for human beings. But I have a topic for you today that I think if you're a dog lover, animal lover, you're going to enjoy. Can CBD reduce anxiety in dogs? I can tell you it does. That's anecdotal. I like to go to the science. So just as humans experience a wide range of emotions, dogs, because they are truly social animals, they are and can experience the same types of emotions that human beings do, like anxiety, stress, I think sadness, loneliness, so on and so forth. So some dogs exhibit more anxious behaviors when they're separated from their human companions or when traveling in vehicles. Now, our dogs, I say car ride, let's go to the office, let's go to work. Gone. They're in the car immediately. They have no problem. They're hanging out the window, which I know is somewhat dangerous, so I have to pull them back. So despite training methods, and there are many out there from very dedicated professionals, medications and other supplements do provide mixed results. Therefore, veterinarians are taking a more serious look at CBD as an effective anti-anxiety treatment for dogs. And I'm glad they are. Canine stress and anxiety. Let's talk about that. Canine stress and anxiety. It's well established in the veterinarian science or the veterinary science and common sense, to be honest with you, that dogs experience emotional reactions to circumstances in their environment. Although mild stress is mainly harmless, right? Long-lasting and chronic stress on dogs can lead to a number of physical and emotional health problems. When dogs experience isolation, being alone, they can exhibit all types of symptoms of separation anxiety, which it does occur, by the way, in about 50% of dogs. Experiencing auditory and visual stimuli during transportation in vehicles can also lead to a lot of stress and anxiety, as well as loud noises that are produced by either storms or fireworks on the 4th of July. So maybe some of your dogs experience, overstimulation, anxiety for car rides, or when you're gone, you go on vacation. I know Kitty, the Chihuahua, had a lot of separation anxiety, and then I started giving her CBD, and I watched it go away. So, but that's my story. Let me tell you what the studies are saying. CBD does reduce anxiety in dogs. Recent studies have shown successful use of CBD as a remedy in reducing canine stress and anxiety. These studies report positive changes in stress-related measures in serum cholesterol, mean ear temperature, heart rate variability, whining, panting, trembling, and hypersalivating. Those are all signs and symptoms of potential anxiety. Now, dosage depends upon the size and the weight of the dog. Such studies also report results including dogs being less sad, less tense and uncomfortable, and more explorative and relaxed after sometimes a single dose of CBD. So other benefits. Okay, it's good for stress, separation anxiety, loud noises, so on and so forth. In both preclinical and human studies, so animal studies and human studies, CBD has been shown to have a number of health benefits that could also be beneficial for dogs, including anti-inflammatory and pain-reducing effects on canine arthritis and other musculoskeletal conditions. Don't forget, as your dogs age, they can develop arthritis, inflammation of the joints, hips, so on and so forth, and they are aging intercellularly. Here are my final thoughts on this very nerdy but important topic. Dogs experience many of the same emotions that humans do, including stress, anxiety, and sadness. They can become particularly anxious when separated from their companion, when they go for a ride, in the car, or when they're exposed to loud noises. Veterinarians and researchers are becoming increasingly interested in CBD as an all-natural, plant-based treatment for a number of health issues in dogs. The bottom line, CBD appears to be effective for both emotional and physical well-being for our little furry four-legged friends. I'm Dr. Jim. Keep coming back for more information. Like the video, visit my blog, drjimcollins.com, or send me an email sometime. Take care. Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. And I'd like to introduce you to my book, Living Longer and Stronger with CBD. I had to write this after reading between 500, 550, 600 medical articles written and published all over the world. I had to condense the findings into one easy-to-read book on the health benefits of CBD for physical disorders, for mental, emotional conditions, for neurological and neurodegenerative health problems. I guarantee you, you are going to find this book very helpful for yourself, for friends, colleagues, family members. It's on sale at Amazon.com, but you can check it out at drjimcollins.com. That's drjimcollins.com, or follow the link, okay? So thank you again for your time, and check out Living Longer and Stronger with CBD.